Hello, everybody. Today I will be reading from Act 3, Scene 2 in Divided Loyalties, The Barton Family During the American Revolution, written by Gear Thompson and illustrated by Barbara Kewak, published by the National Geographic Society. Scene 2. In the Barton Store. Narrator. It is March 1778. The colonies have now become the United States of America. The Continental Congress has passed the Articles of Confederation to govern the new United States. All but one state, Maryland, has ratified the document. Still, the war rages on. Washington and his army are at Valley Forge. They are suffering in the cold, harsh winter, while the British stay comfortable in New York. Many Loyalists have moved to New York, while others are selling their businesses and moving to either Canada or Great Britain. The Bartons have made several important decisions. William has decided to leave his family and continue to fight in the Continental Army. Robert and the rest of his family have decided to make the journey to New York. The scene opens as the Bartons sell the remaining goods in the store and say goodbye to their neighbors and friends. Customer. So, you're letting the Patriots drive you out? I had thought you would stay. Your son seems to find the Patriot cause a righteous one. Robert. William does what he believes, as do I. It is time for the rest of us to move on. Customer. Yes, it's better that you leave than be driven out of town as some have been. I remember you had a close call a few years ago. Robert. Yes, it is not something I care to remember. Thank you for your business over the years. Mary. Well, I have packed all that we can take with us, dear. There is nothing left for the rebels to steal. Abigail. They wouldn't steal things from us, Mother. These are friends of William. Ben. They stole from the other shops. Robert. I'm afraid Ben is right, Abigail. The rebels take what they need, and so do the British. Come, let us get home and finish packing. We must leave tomorrow. William. So there is nothing that I can do to convince you to stay, Father? Robert. No, William, we must leave. William. You're making a mistake. Robert. I think that you are making a mistake. You never would listen to reason. You always listen to your heart. William. This time my head and my heart are telling me the same thing. I think it is you and Mother who will not listen to reason. It is clear the colonies must be free, and you are too stubborn to make the only reasonable decision. And you are dragging Abigail and Ben with you. Have you asked them how they feel and what they believe? They could have a future here in this new country. We all could. Robert. William, I will not listen to your impudent and rash statements any longer. You are a traitor to all that I believe in. Get out of my house. William stares at his father, then exits. Abigail. Oh, Father, why did you have to argue? What if we never see William again? Robert. That is the terrible price of war, Abigail.